I'm going to go all the way around. You just can't hear it. It's totally silent, absolutely amazing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this running for a few hours and I'm going to see how much diesel it uses. I'm going to open it up now and show you just what's inside of the tank. Okay, we'll lift this up, absolutely bang on. There you can see the level, can you see that, how much is in there? So we're up to the top, can you see that? I'll put that there, absolutely amazing. I'm going to leave this running for a few hours and I'm going to see how much diesel it uses and see if it uses a lot or not a lot. We'll see, is it as efficient as they're claiming? Let's have a look. Bang, we're here again. So, hope you enjoyed that little promo video. Just a little bit of better explanation, some jazzy music showing you how to assemble it, a little bit better than I did. It's now 3 hours later. I'm going to have a look, see how much diesel it's used, see if the claims are as good as what they say. Now, HCALORY are telling me on one full tank it's going to last between 50 and 64 hours on medium. So I've got it on high and it's been on high for 3 hours, so I'm expecting that diesel to have dropped somewhat. But let's go and take a look. Let's have a look in here. Well on clip, drop that down and it's hardly moved. I mean, if I come to this end you can see it has dropped a little bit, but it's hardly dropped. So 3 hours in, on full, and let me tell you, that's kicking some proper heat out. It's not used any diesel, hardly at all. I'm really surprised about that. I was expecting it to be about half a tank, but no, it's absolutely bang on. It's hardly used any at all. And just to show you, we're there again, look, we're still on full. H10, only one thing to do, because I'm keeping it, the old plastic can come off. Oh, I wish I'd got nails. Oh, it's so satisfying that bit in it when you get something new. Absolutely bang on. I'm now going to turn that down. Okay, I'm going to turn it down to its low setting. I'm going to fasten this back up, and as you can hear,